Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Remove the two stoppers in the glove box. Removing and reinstalling the stoppers is easier if you partially close the glove box. Lower the glove box. To remove the filter housing door, unclip the side and pull the door to the right. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door by sliding the left tab in first. Then, press on the right side until the lock clicks into place. Reinstall the stoppers by matching the shape and then rotating clockwise. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.